Hi, today I will show you how to crochet these bikini bottoms. They are simple, adjustable and perfect for a handmade bikini set. On my channel you can already find the tutorial for the matching bikini top. So in this video we will make the bottoms step by step from the first chain to the final ties. Grab your hook and yarn and let's start. I'm using soft bamboo yarn by YarnArt with a 4mm crochet hook. I show you how to make these bikini bottoms on small stample so you can easily crochet your own pair too. The easiest way is to take any bikini bottoms or underwear you already have and check the width so you can adjust the size in this area. First, make a small swatch with your yarn and crochet hook so you can see how many chain stitches you need to start with. Okay, let's start. I'm starting with 12 chain stitches. Add 3 turning chains, then crochet into the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, and starting in this chain, make double crochets. And now, the first row is finished. Start the next row with 3 turning chains and then make double crochets all the way across. And the second row is finished. Now keep making rows like this. For my bikini I made 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straight rows, and after that we start increasing. I'll show you how to do that in a second. I just need to make one more row on my sample first. Once the crotch part is ready, you can start increasing. Start again with 3 turning chains. Make 2 double crochets into the first stitch for the increase. one double crochet and another one in the same stitch. Now make one double crochet in each stitch until the second to last stitch. Okay, now I am at the last stitch of the row, and here again make 2 double crochets into the same stitch for the increase. 1 and one more in the same stitch. 2. And now your first increase row is done. Then make the next row, again starting with 3 turning chains. And in the first stitch make 2 double crochets again. And now we have the increase. Then make 1 double crochet in each stitch again. At the end of the row, make 2 double crochets in the last stitch again for the increase. Now you can already see the front getting wider. Make the next row exactly the same way. So again, make an increase in the first stitch, then 1 double crochet in each stitch across and increase in this last stitch. I'm going to repeat it 2 more times on my sample so I can show you the next steps. For my bikini bottoms, I made 17 rows with increases at the beginning and at the end, just like I showed you. You can adjust the number of rows to make them as high as you want. Once the front part is finished, attach your yarn on the other side. And on the other side, crochet exactly the same way. From the first row to the last one, make increases at the beginning and at the end of every row by making 2 double crochets in one stitch. And this is how it looks. I made fewer rows at the front and more rows in the back. I made 17 rows in the front and 25 rows in the back. Now I show you how to make this decorative edging. Okay, now the front and back are finished, and I show you how to make a nice finishing edge. Now I'm starting with 2 turning chains. I want to skip 3 stitches and crochet into the third one. So I'm making 3 more chain stitches. And into the third stitch, make a half double crochet. And I keep repeating the same pattern. Make 3 chain stitches, yarn over, and make a half double crochet into the first stitch by pulling the yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. And keep crocheting the same way. And again, a half double crochet. If you only have 2 stitches left at the end instead of 3, don't worry, you won't see the difference. And now the first row is finished. Now make 1 more row. Start again with 2 turning chains. And again, make 3 chain stitches, yarn over, and make a half double crochet into the half double crochet from the previous row. And again, 1, 2, 3, and a half double crochet. And again, keep crocheting the same way until the end of the row. Make the same finishing edge on both the front and the back. And now the decorative edging is finished. Now I show you how to make the straps to tie the bikini. After you make them, you can sew them onto the ends here, or you can do it the same way I did on the bikini top. Instead of making 4 separate straps, you can make 2 long ones and pull them through these holes just like this. If you want to make the matching bikini top, you can find a tutorial on my channel. So just do whichever version you like more. You can pull the straps through the holes or sew them on like I did here on my bikini bottoms. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. Take a long piece of yarn, about 2.5 meters, and fold it in half, like this. Attach the yarn here and separate the 2 strands of yarn. Pull the yarn through, wrap the bottom strand over the top, and pull the top strand through both loops on the hook. Wrap it over from the top and pull it through. I show you a few more times. Wrap it over and pull through. Wrap it over and pull through. And keep repeating the same thing until the strap is as long as you want. So you can do it the same way I did, with 4 double straps, or make 2 longer ones and pull them through the holes. To finish, pull both strands through the last loop. You can add little tassels or beads at the ends, whatever you like more. And that's it. Your crochet bikini bottoms are finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you make your own version, I'd love to see it. Don't forget to check out the matching bikini top tutorial on my channel, and thank you so much for watching.